How to fix something went wrong in TikTok. So first is to make sure that you are connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Next is go to settings, scroll down until you find apps. Using the search icon found on the top right corner, search for TikTok. Scroll down and select storage. And then tap on clear cache found on the bottom right corner. Now close settings and visit Play Store or App Store. Then using the search bar, search for TikTok. Tap TikTok and update TikTok if there's an update available. Lastly is to restart your phone. So just press and hold the power button and then you will see these options. So just tap restart to restart your phone. After this, open TikTok, refresh it, and see if the issue has been resolved. And so those are the ways on how you can fix something went wrong in TikTok. Thank you and have a great day.